Welcome back, everyone! If you're tuning into this video, chances are you're already using a vacuum sealer from REVACU and are seeking some valuable tips. Today, we have some helpful insights to share that will help you maximize longevity of your machine. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, if you frequently use the vacuum sealer for packaging wet foods such as meat or seafood, it's important to be aware that over time, food residue may accumulate inside the nozzle, resulting in reduced suction strength. To maintain optimal suction power, it is recommended to periodically clean the nozzle using the provided metal spare part. This will ensure a clear and unobstructed nozzle, allowing for consistently strong suction capabilities. Secondly, it is advisable to rinse the nozzle and internal tube of the machine. Simply prepare a small amount of warm water and allow the machine to draw in the water for a few seconds, effectively rinsing the entire internal system. This step helps to remove any residual particles or contaminants, ensuring a clean and well-maintained machine. Thirdly, it is crucial to always remember to empty the water canister when it reaches its maximum level to prevent any potential water overflow. Additionally, make sure to thoroughly wash the canister and allow it to dry completely before reassembling it back into the machine. This step is important in order to prevent the growth of mold or the development of unpleasant odors. By maintaining a clean and dry canister, you ensure the optimal functioning and hygiene of your machine. Fourthly, when the machine is not in use, it is recommended to keep the nozzle inside the machine. Close the lid gently without locking it to prevent excessive pressure on the spring mechanism. This practice ensures the longevity of the machine's components and prevents unnecessary wear and tear. By following this simple step, you can maintain the optimal functioning of your vacuum sealer even during periods of non-use. Last but not least, it is essential to always set the correct sealing time. Setting the sealing time excessively high can result in overheating, which may shorten the lifespan of the heating elements. By ensuring that the sealing time is appropriately adjusted, you can preserve the longevity and efficiency of your vacuum sealer's heating components. These are some valuable tips for maximizing the effectiveness of your REVACU vacuum sealer. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team today. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.